Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup tutorial how to edit texture. So as example, I will create a rectangle and then use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to set texture, you can go to material and in here I will set into wood. You can click the matte texture and you can click in the object. If you want to edit this object, you can select the texture and then click on edit tab. So there are a lot of options. You can change the color in it, like this, or you can set for size at this option. Like I will set into 2000, or you can set into 1000. It's more small. This, and this is for the opacity of the texture. You can see it will be set the opacity. And the other option, if you want to change the texture image, you can click at this folder. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial, how to edit texture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.